In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice navigation in Google Maps so you can get turn-by-turn directions without constantly looking at your phone. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Next, tap the search bar and enter your destination. Once you find a location, tap the directions button. Choose your preferred mode of transportation, such as driving, walking, cycling, or public transit. Before starting your trip, make sure your phone's volume is turned up. You can also tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Navigation Settings, and ensure that voice guidance is enabled. Now tap Start to begin navigation. Google Maps will provide spoken directions, including upcoming turns, lane guidance, and arrival information. If you want to adjust the voice volume during navigation, tap the speaker icon on the navigation screen and choose between softer, normal, or louder guidance. You can also use voice commands by saying, "Hey Google," and asking things like finding gas stations, restaurants, or checking your estimated arrival time while navigating. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.